Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! One little early Christmas present.
Open it up.
Let's see, Eric.
Are you serious?
Oh, Eric!
What the hell is this on me?
Yeah, you can take that off of her. Yeah.
Him.
Him, it's a boy. It's a little tabby. You have to bond with it and name it.
He's a real people person
Oh,
too.
honey, he is so friendly. Oh,